With VBOUT, you can create booking calendars that connect directly with your Google Calendar or Outlook calendar so your clients or leads can choose a time slot that you configure with the behavior that you choose directly from the VBOUT interface. I'm going to show you real quick how you can create a calendar in just a couple of minutes and how you can be up and running so you can capture more meetings. Let's get started. The first thing you need to make sure of is that you have the add-on installed on your plan, or if it's already included, then simply visit your settings page. If you scroll down, you will see an option that's called Booking Settings. This is where we're going to start. I already have pre-made calendars for my testing, and you can see immediately what email list is connected. This is really important because this is where the leads are going to be added inside the VBOUT platform. And if you know, this means that you can fire a whole automation sequences, including lead assignments, tasks, emails, SMS, and much more from within the VBOUT automation. Then, how many contacts have booked? For example, in this case, I have 3 confirmed and scheduled bookings that were in the past. And of course, on the right side, you can see all other options. There is an embed widget code that you can take and add to your own website or landing pages very easily as well. And like everything else in VBOUT, this component is fully integrated with our own native landing page, as well as the email, so you can easily find the links to those calendars from the email builder or the landing page builder. All right, so how do you get started? Simply click on Create Calendar. Now, I already connected a calendar to the account, but if you haven't done so, simply choose the platform that you're using. If you don't have one, or you're starting from fresh, choose, let's assume in this case is Google Calendar, follow the prompt, and just make sure you click yes on the prompt so you can authorize your main calendar that you're working with. Once you've done that, it's just going to show you which calendars are in use. Choose that and then give it a title. I'm just going to call it Demo Call and submit. Once you do submit, now you're going to be prompted with an interface where you can configure the behavior of the booking. In this case, what is the calendar booking page name? That's going to appear at the top. So let's just say VBOUT Demo Call. What's the event name? That usually appears on your calendar title. You can make it the same, or you can give it a little bit more description. It's totally up to you. The location, we can connect with Zoom, so that will be pre-populated with Zoom, but you can also just put in your own default if you have, let's say, Google Meet or other platforms as well. With the Zoom integration, every event that takes place, an event on Zoom gets created or a meeting on Zoom gets created, and that's unique to that one particular meeting. What is the page slug? So I'm going to call it VBOUT Demo Link. This is the URL, which you can copy and paste. What is the privacy policy and the cancellation policy? These are important, so you can allow people to cancel ahead of time. You can also have URL so people can approve before they click submit. So these are some of the additional options you have here. The second option is your settings. Which calendar you'd like to use. As you know, within a particular interface, you can create multiple calendars. In this case, I'm just going to choose mine. This is the Zoom meeting integration, and there's one step involved in this, which is like everything else. You have to connect and authorize Zoom to have VBOUT create events on your behalf. Just follow the prompt. It's extremely simple. In this case, I'll choose it, and I'll choose the account. I only have one connected, but as you know, VBOUT supports multiple calendars and multiple Zooms integrated. So that's with the flexibility that comes with the platform. How is the booking behavior? Automatic booking or manual, meaning you have to approve before it gets published on the calendar. And what happens after they book? Do you redirect somewhere or reload the actual calendar itself? Then you choose your availability. Because you're in charge of your own time slots, you can have your time zone, the event duration, the minimum booking notice. This is actually how far ahead or before they could book you. So you can allow a minimum of 2 days before the booking, meaning no surprise last minute uh, meetings booked. And then the cancellation notice. They're allowed to cancel 2 days prior. What's the buffer time between meetings? So if I book you from 2 to 3, then the next meeting availability will be at 3:15. And also, how far in the future can somebody book you? You can open it for 2 weeks or for however long that you want. Then you have the availability days. This is also customizable, as you can see. So if you want to just offer Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., and you can do it on a daily basis as well. So I can say on Monday from 9 to 5, on Tuesday I can have block out days. So I'll just remove that, choose it here, and so on. Very flexible on that front. Now you have the fields. These are important because you're going to choose where do leads get added the moment they book an appointment with you. And as you know, VBOUT has a robust list structure and field customization, so you can have as many fields as you want. I'm just going to take one simple one right now. Let's just say event one. The fields that you created there will show here, including what's required, and you can submit. Optionally, you can have a tag added to the profile. This will help you in case you have some cold emails going out to people